everyone, welcome back to my channel. I trust you're well. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 nutritious baby purees for your 6 months plus at home. Before we get into it, please make sure you click the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel to get more amazing content like this. Right, let's get into it. The 3 ingredients that we're going to be using are sweet potatoes, green beans, and beetroot. Let's get into the benefits of these ingredients. Sweet potatoes is rich in vitamin A, which is good for the development of your baby's eyes. Beetroot is rich in fiber and iron. So the fiber will help with your baby's digestive system to help them go to the toilet more, and the iron will help reduce anemia. Also, if they have enough iron in their system, it helps to circulate oxygen to their body, which is vital for their brain development. Lastly, green beans is high in carotenoids and vitamins and other minerals as well, which is important for the development of your baby's immune system. Another tip that I want to give before we go into this is when you're buying this product, try and look for organic ones. This is because they contain less pesticide compared to just normal form of these ingredients. If you cannot find organic ingredients, you could also buy normal ones, but make sure that you wash them properly. So let's get into it. Wash and peel sweet potatoes. Cut into smaller pieces. This is to ensure that it boils quickly and gets tender quickly. Wash again and bring to boil. Boil until very soft and tender. Pour it into a blender. Add the water from the boiled potatoes or breast milk or formula. Then blend. Blend to the right texture that you want it to be. Pour in a bowl and refrigerate. That is the sweet potatoes puree. Cut out the end of the green beans. Wash thoroughly. Bring to boil. Keep checking. Once it's tender, pour into the blender. Add breast milk and blend. Pour into a bowl and refrigerate. And that is your green beans puree. I used cooked beetroot, but then I cooked it even more just to make it a bit more tender. Empty the pack, including the juice, into a pot. Cut into pieces. Pour into a pot in order to boil. Boil until tender. Keep checking. Once it's tender enough, pour into a blender. Add the juice from the cooked beetroot as well. Add more water if needed, or breast milk or formula. Blend to the desired texture. Pour into a bowl and refrigerate. This can be stored in the freezer Here is a clip of my twins enjoying the sweet potatoes puree. My little ones enjoyed the sweet potatoes and the green beans. The beetroot, another idea that you could do is to add some apples to it just to give it a bit of taste to make them enjoy it more. I hope this video has helped you. Let me know, comment below what you make at home for your 6 months plus, as this will help me as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.